On the night the sky fell down, a boy found a visitor from the stars.
A shooting star. It crashed in the backyard.
Beep, beep. Hello, my name is Nova. My ship is broken. I need 3-star crystals to fly home. Find them before sunrise, or I'll be stuck here forever. What shines at night, but hides by day, and follows the moon far, far away?
Stars. The answer is stars.
Correct! One crystal found. The second crystal waits in one of these chests. Its color matches the midnight sky.
Then I'll open the golden chest.
The chest is empty.
No, wait. The blue chest.
Correct! 2 crystals found. The last crystal is the brightest star. Find the one that twinkles 3 times.
The boy counted the twinkling stars. 1, 2, 3.
There. That star twinkled 3 times.
I'll never forget you.
And as the sun rose, Nova flew home, carrying a little piece of Earth's kindness. Even the smallest light can guide you home.
What would you name your robot? Tell me in the comments.